welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about Adobe Firefly. The design system that's so easy to use even your grandma could create stunning designs with it. But don't take our word for it. Give it a try and see for yourself. With Firefly, you'll be able to design like a pro, even if you're just starting out. Its shared library of components, styles and assets makes it easy to create consistent, cohesive designs that will make your boss think you've been doing this for years. So, whether you're a design newbie or a seasoned pro, Firefly has something for each one of you. So, strap on your seatbelt and get ready for a takeoff. We're about to show you how to fly with Adobe Firefly. You might have heard that Adobe has just entered the AI game, and they have done it in a big way with Firefly. In this video, we'll be giving you a tour of Firefly, its coolest features. Let's start with an overview of what Firefly can do. Adobe Firefly is a generative AI tool that uses text-based prompts to create unique images, text effects, and more. It's currently in beta, but it's going to be applied to all of your favorite Adobe applications soon. That means it's going to be intertwined with Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro, and will have AI inside of it. Next, let's take a look at some examples of Firefly's coolest features. We'll start with text to image. With Firefly, you can create unique images from your text prompts. We'll show you how it works and take a look at some of the amazing artwork that's already been generated using this feature. We'll show you how you can use Firefly to add styles or textures to text, making your text more visually appealing. Now let's create a unique image using this feature. Okay, let's create a mouse wearing a chef dress or a uniform. Click on generate and let's see what it creates. Whoa, hold on. We can see what cool images, pictures it have created. It looks like so real. It's totally amazing. My mind has just blown out. I loved it. So now let's try something funny or something different. So we can refresh it to see a different picture or images. So let's wait for another one. Okay, now look at this one. It looks so amazing. Just incredible. I love the images it have created. It looks really realistic and real. I love this feature. I'm gonna use it to the fullest. So now let's try a rat wearing a doctor dress or uniform in front of a hospital. After writing it, let's generate and see what magic it can do. You can see it has created its magic again. How cool it's looking now. You can also create this type of images using this feature. So do let me know in the comments below. And here you will get a bundle of options to choose and create different type of images or pictures. So here you can see the aspect ratio. Here you can see the effects. You'll get lightning option or adjustment and themes also, so you can uh, choose everything from here and create a different type of looking image. Okay, now let's head on to the text effects. Here also you can see an amazing gallery users has generated using this feature. Here you can change the background color, the fonts. You can choose the effects with loose, medium and tight. So here you can see it is creating effects with popcorn. So here I will write subscribe. So please do subscribe. It gives me a big smile. And after writing subscribe, it will generate it with the text effects. So let's see what it's create. So we can see that it has created text effect with the previous one, that is popcorn. It looks so real, na? I love this text effect. You can see many more. Here you can see with the view all, you'll get many options like garlic bread, vines, wires, balloons and lots of options. Adobe is concerned about copyright issues, so users can see the content credentials of each image that they download. Firefly has strict guidelines on what it will and won't generate, and it won't create explicit or violent content. If users want to generate something specific, they can input a text-based prompt and let Firefly do its magic. So, that's our overview of Adobe Firefly. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you're excited about Firefly and can't wait to try it out, let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next ones. Bye bye.